welcome back everyone. We've got a big day ahead of us today. I'm going to use every one of these tools that we have. We're going to clean up the main trail and fairway number 11 and 12 on our golf course. But this trail is the more wide open trail that we have here, and we use this a bunch to walk back here and just look over the property and also look at all the wildlife and things like that. You guys have seen a lot of footage from this in the videos that we make for you. But again, every one of these tools, it's a big job. We had a pretty good sized storm roll through last week, and it knocked down a lot of limbs. Now the trees are getting closer to defoliating for fall, so some of that has to do with it as well. Long story short, I have to clean it up no matter what happened to it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and again, if you want to see all this stuff used, you come to the right spot. Let's get started. Again, we've got a big day ahead of us. I think you're going to enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Has really made a difference down here. Close my eyes. Once you get the pole saw out, it does not take long to make a load of brush. All of this stuff is green. packed into the trailer. And you'll be amazed when you look back behind you how much you've actually cut. Make some good smoke on the fire though. Alright, we've got one more step left. I'm going to go ahead and use the yard sweeper and sweep this up and see if I can get just a little cleaner, and then that'll have this whole 100% trail, fairway, etc. We use this a lot, so having it clean is just a benefit for us. I'm going to set this down probably to about an inch to an inch and a half. My broom's on the yard sweeper because I have this so clean. We've picked up all the sticks. So this should go pretty quick, and I'm going to sweep it pretty close to the ground. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're going to start at 2 inches. I'll be surprised if we get a full basket picked up from this, but I still want to sweep it just to make it really nice. We're digging out all the toys today. We're going to get something done. Spin this toy around. There we go. Good. So while we're back here working, I'm going to go ahead and knock these stumps up out of the ground. This one here has been here for years. And I'm hoping I can just crack this dude with a splitting maul, break it up enough to get it out of the way. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's going to move. Absolutely right in the center of the trail. Ooh. Well, that one will never bother the lawnmower or the mule again. Well, this guy, yeah, that's solid. So I'm going to take the chainsaw and trim that dude off. And I brought the stump grinder back with me. And we're going to take care of that right now. Ooh, that isn't going anywhere. It is nice to be able to get this clean. I've never had it this clean. And since that storm moved through and all the storm damage we've had from the tree limbs and things like that falling, great time to get it cleaned up. Let's see if this little stump grinder is going to take this stuff out of our way for us. Once you get the stump flat, this thing will move it. Down the grass grade, perfect. Get back the trailer up and we'll get this next one. I've been wanting that one out of there for a couple of years now too, and now it's gone. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of work, but it is work that I don't mind doing. Now that all the sticks and things like that are picked up, I don't have to worry about walking back here. I don't have to worry about the grandkids coming back and hitting one of the tripping sticks. So we've got them taken care of. And you know, also, I mean, running wide open on this section of trail with the Mule, if I had a lot of sticks and different things laying back here, it's very likely that I could catch a stick just right and run it through the radiator or break a brake line off. So I'm glad to have it cleaned up, and hopefully we won't have any more storms come through and have to do this again, although we have taken care of most of the trees here that has this virus and allowing the tops to fall out of it. And every piece of equipment worked like it should. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video.